On this channel, I'll be teaching you the most easiest way, most fun way for you to learn Mandarin Chinese. Yeah, now, let's start learning. Buckle up. Hello everyone. Welcome to lesson 22 of Mandarin Chinese. Today, we also continue learning about the landscape. A hill is called Qiuling. 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 A valley is called Shangu. 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 A grassland is called Caoyuan. 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 A plateau is called Gaoyuan. 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 Now, let's review the words again. Qiuling, Shangu, Caoyuan, Gaoyuan. This is the end of today's lesson. Please remember to like, share, comment, and also to click the subscribe and notification button. See you next time. Goodbye.